In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send document through Docusign for signature 5 minutes. First, log into your Docusign account. On the home screen, choose Start to begin a new envelope. If you already use standardized documents, you can open templates instead. Templates are great when you send the same form repeatedly because they can store recipients, messages, and pre-placed fields, saving you setup time and reducing errors. If you're using a template, select it and continue. Otherwise, click Upload to add your own file. Pick the document from your computer or drag and drop it into the window. Common formats like PDF and Word are supported. Before moving on, give the file a quick scroll to make sure the pages are in the right order and everything is readable. It's best to upload a final version since signed copies shouldn't be modified later. Now add the people who need to sign. Enter each recipient's name and email address carefully so the request reaches the right inbox. If multiple people will sign, add them all here. You'll assign their signature spots in a moment. Add a clear email subject and a short message so recipients know what the document is and any timing expectations. Next, continue to the Prepare screen. If you see a Sign button or similar prompt, select it to open the document editor. On the left-hand panel, locate the signature field. Click and drag it onto the exact place on the page where the signature belongs. You can resize the field and zoom the page to align it neatly with any signature line. You'll also see other field types like date signed or initials, which you can place if your document requires them. If more than one person is signing, use the recipient drop-down at the top left to switch between signers. Make sure each signature field is assigned to the correct recipient before you place it. Repeat this wherever a signature is needed. If you're prompted to adopt and sign, confirm your signature style to proceed. This typically appears the first time you sign in Docusign. When everything looks good, click Finish. Review the email subject, message, and recipients, then click Send. Docusign will deliver a secure link to each signer and route the document in order if you've set multiple recipients. You'll get a confirmation, and you can track status, send reminders, or download the completed copy with its audit trail from your account's Manage or Sent area. If someone can't find the email, have them check Spam or search for Docusign. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document through Docusign for signature.